In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add table of contents MailChimp. A table of contents at the top of your email helps readers quickly jump to the sections they care about, which can improve engagement and make longer newsletters feel easier to navigate. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can implement it right away. Start by opening your email in the MailChimp editor and placing your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, usually just below your header or introduction. In the content panel, find the code or custom HTML block, then drag and drop it into that spot. This block is designed to accept raw HTML, which gives you precise control over the layout and link behavior. If you don't see the code block at first glance, scroll through the available content blocks or use the search field to find it. Once it's on the canvas, click to edit it so you can paste your HTML. Now paste the HTML for your table of contents into the block. Your code should create a simple, email-safe table layout and include a short title like Table of Contents, followed by a list of links. Each link should point to an anchor within your email, using an href that looks like a hash followed by a unique ID, such as had introduction or pricing. In the sections themselves, make sure the corresponding headings include matching IDs so the links can jump to the right place. For example, if your link is Introduction, the heading for that section should use the same ID. Keep styles in line for best compatibility. Use a single column layout and choose readable font sizes so it looks good on mobile and desktop. A quick but important note: internal jump links have limited support in some email clients. They generally work well in many Apple Mail environments, but some apps, like certain versions of Gmail or Outlook, may ignore them. That's okay. The table of contents still acts as a helpful overview, and in supported clients, the links will jump as expected. To maximize clarity, regardless of client, write clear section headings and keep the table concise. After pasting your HTML, use the preview and test features to check spacing, link behavior, and mobile responsiveness. If any link doesn't jump, confirm that the href in the table matches the ID on the target heading exactly. When everything looks good, save your changes and you're done. That's all it takes to add a clean, functional table of contents to your MailChimp email.